Hey guys, I'm Ray Peralta, the Instructional Technology Trainer here at St. Mary's College, and today I'm going to show you how to use iMovie to create movies. So for this class, you guys are supposed to create mini movies giving lessons. So these movies will be probably between 1 to 2 minutes long. So the first thing to do is to find a video editing software that will allow you to make these mini movies. Now, if you don't have video editing software, no problem. We have video editing software here at St. Mary's. You could use the computer lab here at FAH 105. However, you're going to have to make an arrangement for so you can be in here. Or you can use the computer lab in the library. That's a great place to go because the SMC service desk is right there. Now the program that we hope that you would use would be iMovie HD6, which is on a Mac. And the reason that we want you to use that program is if you ever happen to run into trouble, we're best able to support you if you use that program. If you use another program, no problem, but we don't know other programs as well as we know iMovie HD6. So again, if you want support from us here at SMC, use iMovie HD6 on a Mac here on campus. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the iMovie HD6 icon, which should be located on that little shortcut bar at the very bottom of your Mac screen. And it looks like a blue rectangle with a black and white clapper. So just look for that, double click it, and your iMovie application will open. Okay, so say that you're using one of the public machines here at St. Mary's College, and you open up iMovie HD and you notice that it opens right away up to a project that obviously is not yours. And the reason for that is because these are public machines, and so obviously there's people that use them and they don't properly close, projects that they're working on. So that's probably why you see that. So what you're going to want to do is if it opens up to a project that's not yours, with your iMovie open, you're going to click File, and then you're going to click Close Window, and that project will close. And once you do that, you're going to see now a new box which will give you 3 choices, and the first choice will be the one that you want, which is Create New Project. So a new project will open now, and you will have an option here to save your project with a certain name. So to make things easy for today, let's go ahead and just name it Bio, so B-I-O, and save it to the desktop, so just for easy access. Okay, so now your project will open, and it will open to a black screen. Now we're going to record ourselves. We're going to make a bio of ourselves. So you'll notice kind of towards the left center of your screen, you're going to see 2 different modes. And it looks like 2 icons. One looks like a camera and one looks like scissors. And you're going to want to click camera mode. So just take that little knob, click it into camera mode, and then you're going to see yourself on the screen with a little button that says Record with Eyesight. The space bar on your keyboard acts as Start Record or Play. And the space bar again acts as Stop Record or Stop or Pause. So here we go, ready to record. Click the space bar to start your recording. Go ahead and do your thing. And when you're done, click the space bar again to stop the recording. Okay, so you're done recording and you're ready to watch yourself so you can see how you did. So you'll notice to the right side of your iMovie screen there is a clip there, and that represents what you recorded. So use your mouse cursor, click that little clip, and then click the space bar on your keyboard to play the footage. And then it will stop when it's done, or of course you can always click that space bar again on your keyboard to stop or pause. Now, there's probably going to be some mess-ups here and there, but don't worry about it too much. It's not that serious. This is just a quick little bio. But if all else fails, you could always highlight that clip and click the delete key on your keyboard, and then that clip will be deleted, and then you could just record again. But of course, let's just say that you actually like everything you've done, but there is just a little mess up in the middle of your clip that you just don't like and you just want to go ahead and crop that part out. That is actually possible by doing a little bit of editing, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. So what you're gonna see at the bottom of your iMovie screen, there is a little kind of like a line that looks like this, and that's the viewer. And basically whatever is in the viewer is what's going to be in the final movie. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your mouse cursor and you're gonna click your mouse cursor over that particular clip in the clips pane and take your mouse, click and drag that clip down to the to the viewer at the bottom of your screen. Again, whatever is in the viewer is what's going to be in the final movie. Okay, the first option is click File, then click Export, and when you see this new box appear, make sure that it says Compress Movie for Web Streaming and click Share, okay? And then you'll get this box that allows you to give your movie a name, give your movie a simple name like your name, and make sure that you save them on the desktop, and then click Share. And then at that point, it will compress, and that movie will now be saved to the desktop. Now, another option is if you don't see File Export, you can click Share and then click Share. So again, Share is a menu option, and then click Share. And then again, you will see a little box that allows you to choose Compress Movie for Web Streaming, and then click Share. And again, you get that box that allows you to save that movie as a certain name. So give it a simple name, make sure it's saved on the desktop, and then click Share. And at that point, that movie will compress and be saved by whatever name you gave it on your desktop.